Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix S.T.A.L.K.E.R 2 Heart of Chernobyl controller or your gamepad is not working on PC. Alright, first thing you need to do here is to try to update your system. To do so, go to your search bar right here at the bottom left, type in system updates, then click on the system setting right here and wait for it to load. Now once you're in here, just click on check for updates, and once done, if you can see many updates available right here, just go ahead and install those. Once done, restart your computer. Check the game and your controller if it works now. Now if that won't work, go ahead and open up your search bar again and type in device manager. All right, once this one pops up, just go ahead and click on it. Then locate human interface devices right here. You're going to want to locate your controller right here. All right, for example, this is your controller. Right click on it, properties, driver, and disable device. Click on disable device, wait for the process to finish. After that, hit OK. Go back to it again, properties, driver, and enable your controller. All right. Once done, go ahead and run the game and check your controller if it works now. Now, if that won't work, go back to device manager. Again, human interface. Locate the controller, right click on it, and simply update driver and search automatically for drivers. All right. Once done, restart the computer, boot up the game, and check if your controller works now. Now, if that won't work, you're going to want to go to your Steam app if you have downloaded the game from Steam. Now, what you're going to want to do in here is locate the game. For example, this one is the S.T.A.L.K.E.R 2. Click on it and should be able to see this gear icon right here or the controller icon. Just go ahead and click on it. Go to properties. Go to controller right here, controller tab. If yours is set to use default settings, try to disable it for now. All right, close this one. Try to play the game and see if it helps. Now, if that won't work, go back to the settings again. Properties, controller, and enable Steam input. All right. Once done, launch the game again and everything should work perfectly fine now. And that is it. I hope this video helps some. Please don't forget to share this video to your friends. And if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.